Good morning, Larkrise. How lovely to see you. Let's get ready to sing and dance and move our bodies. Let's get ready to wake up. We'll put on some music, you can do some dancing and we'll wake up. We'll reach up and jump up, yeah. It's another new day. Get your feet dancing to the beat. Get your body moving. Raise a shout, hey! Let your feelings out. It's another new day. It's Wednesday, isn't it? Wake up, give yourselves a shake up. Get your body moving. Reach up. Now we're all awake. That's great, isn't it? Fantastic. Great moving and singing and dancing. Thank you, sheep. So we are thinking about things that go. So our sign of the week. Let's get our hands ready for sign of the week, shall we? Oh, we've got 1, 2, clap, clap, clap. 1, 2. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up, there they are. Excellent, they're ready to sign. Very good, because our sign this week is go. So we use this finger, go. And I wonder where you've all been going. Maybe you can tell us all the places you're going. We've been thinking about how we can go. Maybe we'll go in a car, maybe we'll go on a bike, maybe we'll be going on the bus. All the ways we can go. Yeah, so I wonder what you see when you're out walking or cycling, going around. Maybe you might see let's have a think if you can guess what I'm thinking about. I'm thinking about something that says, something that has got lots and lots and lots of carriages, something that goes very fast. Choo! What do you think it is? Do you think it's a train or a truck? You think train? Yeah, I think you're right. That does go. Doesn't it? Let's think about one more thing. How about this one? Can you think of something that's got 2 wheels and sometimes you'll hear it go when it's coming past you? And I know our friend Alexia is really good at riding one of these. Do you think it is a bike or a car? Which one has got 2 wheels, has got a bell and 2 pedals? Do you think bike? Do you? Yeah, I think it was a bike, wasn't it? It goes ding-a-ling-ling. Let's sing a song with some of those things in. Squirrel's going to help us. I wonder which one you like the best, Squirrel. Do you like trains or do you like bikes. Which one would you like? He's having a look. He's wondering. He says he likes a train. Oh, you're going to have the train. All right, so you're going to be in charge of the train during this song. Is that all right? Can you hold that? It's a bit tricky, isn't it, to hold that? It's very long. It's a long blue train goes choo-choo-choo. There it goes. So in our song, we will watch out for that and see what else we can see, shall we? Okay, let's see. We start off by driving a bus. It's all about travelling by. So we're going to use our sign, go, and we'll travel along together. Let's go. You can do some tapping on your legs, or you can clap them on. See if you can hear. Oh, I hear a tooting. Beep, beep, beep. That must be the
I
bus.
spy with my little eye. You can hear with your little ear. A yellow school bus goes beep, beep, beep. And we all go traveling by, by, by. And we all go traveling by.
Off we go.
I spy with my little eye. You can hear with your little ear. A bright red truck goes rumble, rumble, rumble. The yellow school bus goes beep, beep, beep. And we all go traveling by, by, by. And we all go traveling by. I spy with my little eye. You can hear with your little ear.
What is it?
A long blue train goes
Oh, it's a
bright red truck
train.
goes rumble, rumble,
Rumble.
The yellow school bus goes beep, beep, beep. And we all go traveling by, by, by. And we all go traveling by.
Wonder what's going to be next. Let's have a
I
look.
spy with my little eye. You can hear with your little ear. A shiny pink bike goes ring, 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 ring. A long blue train goes
Hey!
A bright red truck goes
Rumble, rumble, rumble.
A yellow school bus goes beep, beep, beep. And we all go traveling by, by, by. And we all go traveling by.
Wonder what's next.
I spy with my little eye. You can hear with your little ear. A little green boat goes choo. Shiny pink bike goes ring, ring, ring. A long blue train goes choo, choo, choo.
Oh, good work. Oh dear. Rumble, rumble.
A yellow school bus goes beep, beep, beep. And we all go traveling
Bye, bye, bye.
And we all go traveling by.
I wonder what's next.
I spy with my little eye. You can hear with your little ear. A big white plane goes a little green boat goes a shiny pink bike goes ring, ring, ring. A long blue train goes a bright red truck goes
Rumble, rumble, rumble.
A yellow school bus goes beep, beep, beep. And we all go traveling by, by, by. And we all go traveling by.
What next?
I spy with my little eye. You can hear with your little ear. A fast orange car goes a big white plane goes a little green boat goes a shiny pink bike goes a long blue train goes a bright red truck goes
Rumble, rumble, rumble.
a yellow school bus goes beep, beep, beep. And we all go traveling by, by, by. And we all go traveling by.
I wonder what
I
next.
spy with my little eye. You can hear with your little ear. Two purple shoes go fast orange car goes a big white plane goes a little green boat goes a shiny pink bike goes
Ring, a ring, a ring.
a long blue train goes a bright red truck goes
Rumble, rumble, rumble.
a yellow school bus goes beep, beep, beep. And we all go traveling by, by, by. And we all go traveling by. And we all go traveling by, by, by. And we all go traveling by.
Great journey. Oh, so many things we saw, didn't we? Oh, what's that? Ring-a-ling-a-ling. Let's have a try.
I spy with my
My
little
ding-a-ling.
eye. You can hear with your little ear. A loud silver bell goes ding-a-ling-a-ling.
Oh, it's very loud, isn't it?
And we all start another school day. And we all start another school day.
Hooray! Great work. Thank you, Squirrel. You were very good at remembering about the train. And did you hear there was a big crash? I think that was the truck, wasn't it? It made a big rumble over there. Oh my goodness, we saw so many things on that journey. Very nice. Well done. Well, I love going out and listening and looking for all the things I can see and hear. And yesterday, I was out walking and I heard something that sounded like this. Neigh, neigh, had 4 legs and a long swishy tail. Do you know what it was? Do you think it was a horse? Do you? It was, yeah, it was a horse. Hello, horse. Have you come to help us sing some songs? Yes, he has. Oh, that's fantastic. So we have been thinking about all about things that can go, and you can go, can't you? Sometimes you can go fast, and sometimes you can go slowly, and sometimes you can jump, can't you? Yeah, fantastic. So in this song, let's see if you can show us all of those things. That would be great. We've got a little horse here too. He can do some of that too. He's little mini you, isn't he? Okay, let's see if we can all sing along together. We will sing about My Little Pony because we love ponies, don't we? Yeah, it's a very, very nice pony. So we'll sing. My little pony walks then stops. My little pony walks then stops. My little pony loves me only. Little pony walks then stops. Very good, stopping. Okay, little pony, are you ready to do some jumping? Okay, he's ready. He had a nice big breakfast. So oats, did you have some oats for breakfast? Excellent. Okay, you are ready to do some jumping over your jump. Are you ready? And we can all do some jumping at home, can't we? We can lift our arms up or we can jump up and do some jumping. My little pony jumps then stops. My little pony jumps then stops. My little pony loves me only. Little pony jumps then stops. Very good jumping. Thank you. Okay, how about running? We'll gallop. So when we think about horses, we think about galloping, and that means that they're going to run really, really, really fast. Whoa, whoa, boy, we say. That's very good galloping. Let's have a try of galloping. Are you ready? We'll sing. My little pony gallops then stops. My little pony gallops then stops. My little pony loves me only. Little pony gallops then stops. Very good. It's a bit tiring, all of that galloping, isn't it? And jumping. Oh, he's tired. It's time to walk home to have a little rest. Are you ready? We'll walk home slowly. My little pony walks then stops. My little pony walks then stops. My little pony loves me only. Little pony walks then stops. Ah, you can have a rest now, pony. Thank you very much for coming. That was very helpful. Thank you. Bye-bye, pony. Bye-bye. Off he goes. Nay. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for coming. Well, we're thinking about saying thank you. Let's think about saying thank you to all of the people that are looking after those animals out there in the wild. And we can all go and walk around and see the ducks. And maybe some of us are going to Longleat. Maybe. Maybe we're able to walk around and maybe we'll hear some other sounds. Maybe we'll hear, on our walk, a lion. A lion! Oh golly, that would be exciting, wouldn't it, if we were walking and we heard a lion. Maybe we'll hear oh, who's this? A polar bear? Oh goodness me, we might hear a polar bear. Not sure what sound they make. They might growl a little bit too, mightn't they? Maybe we'll hear a wolf. Now this is Donkey. He's pretending to be a wolf today. So he's going to go, ow, ow. Think he sounds like a wolf? He's doing a good job, isn't he? Well done, Donkey. There's also, in this next song, there's also a snake. So watch out for him. And he goes, doesn't he? And in this song, on our walk, all of these animals are going to chase after us. Oh my goodness me, it's a little bit frightening, but we're just playing, aren't we? It's not real. Let's take a walk through the jungle, shall we? We'll see which animals we can see and who comes chasing after us. I'm going to give those to my friend here who's going to help us with this song. And we'll have a lion first, and then we'll have a whale. He comes up too. Perfect. And we'll take a walk. Okay. Are you feeling brave? Because we're going to walk through the jungle. So in this song, there's some singing, and then we sing it again. So that's the part you can join in with. You might know it already. Here we go.
Walking through the jungle.
Walking through the jungle.
What do you see?
What do you see?
I think I see a lion.
A lion!
Chasing
Oh
after
no!
me.
Chasing after me! A lion! What next?
Floating on the ocean.
Floating on the ocean.
What do you see?
What do you see?
I think I see a whale.
See a whale?
Chasing
Oh,
after
he's
me.
chasing me! He's friendly, really.
Climbing in the mountain.
Climbing in the mountains.
What do you see?
What do you see?
I think I see a
I think
wolf.
I see a wolf. Ow!
Chasing after
Chasing
me.
Oh golly, that's a great wolf sound, donkey.
Swimming in the river.
Swimming in the river.
What do you see? I think I see a
A
crocodile.
crocodile! Oh no!
After me.
A crocodile!
Trekking in the desert.
Trekking in the desert.
What do you see?
What do you
I
see?
think I see a
A
snake.
snake! A
Chasing
snake!
after
No!
me.
Ah, a snake! Next.
Slipping on the iceberg.
Slipping on the iceberg.
What do you see?
What do you see? It's a polar
I
bear.
think I see a polar
Polar
bear.
bear! A polar bear!
Chasing after me.
Ah, a polar bear! They are all
Running
friendly.
home for supper.
Running home for supper.
Where have you been?
Where have you been?
I've been around the
Around the
world. I've been
world
around
to
the
see
world.
all of
And
these
guess what I've
things.
seen?
We saw
And guess
all
what
of
I've
those
seen?
animals, didn't we? All around the world. Nice. I hope they weren't chasing you too. That was really fun. So I wonder if you can tell us all the things that you see when you go out in the world. That would be great. Well done, everybody. Well, it's been lovely to see you all. We're going to get ready to say goodbye. Been fantastic. Who do we have? Oh, we got some 2 people watching. Hello, everyone. Nice to see you all. Thank you for watching. We are going to get ready to say goodbye now. But I hope you have a great day. And tell us about all the things you see and all the places you go. Ready to say goodbye? We'll sing. Goodbye to you. Goodbye to you. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to everyone, goodbye to everyone, goodbye to everyone, goodbye to everyone, goodbye to Lewis, goodbye to Lewis, goodbye to Lewis. Goodbye to Lewis. And later, well, Richard will be watching, so we'll sing goodbye to Richard. Goodbye to Richard. Goodbye to Richard. Goodbye to Richard. And Alex. Goodbye to Alex. Goodbye to Alex. Goodbye to Alex. Goodbye to Alex. And all of our friends at Lark Rise, let's sing goodbye to Lark Rise. 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 Let's sing. Ooh, 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 ooh. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you for coming. Have a great day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye. Bye.